this video we're going to demonstrate how to quickly create a report. This report's based on a template we've already built to match our standard reports. Now you can build these in AlbaWrite, or we can help you build them. Okay, so to run the report, I click on the report button, choose the report I want to create. It's asking me for some initial values which you can use throughout the report. And just click OK. Now basically to run the report all you have to do is answer a series of questions. In this case it's actually not a question, it's just a bunch of text that's going to put in at the start of the report. You can read it over, check it, and you can update it, change it around a little bit if you wish. This is another one that just says to complete the address. In this case I'm actually just going to delete it. These are instructions for the formatting once it's in Word, and we can show those at the end. Okay, here's the first real question. It's a multiple choice question. Given it's in Scotland, we'll say it's raining, and we'll say it's unoccupied, and it was unfurnished with fittings. Now you can see as I'm clicking these options, the text that actually goes in the report comes down here, and you can always type in different text. If you haven't set up an option, or it's a bizarre set of circumstances, you can always just type in the answer here, or leave it till it's in Word and tidy it up there. This is a text question. It'll say it's built around 1950. Okay, now this one's a looping question where you can answer the same set of questions over and over. In this case we're answering them for each section of the house. I'll just do a ground floor. I'll say the ground floor's got a living room and a kitchen. And we'll say first floor. And in this case there's only one question per floor, but you can ask as many questions as you like per floor. We'll say the first floor's got two single bedrooms and a bathroom with a shower. No more. We'll say it's a reasonable price, they're asking for it, and then we'll click on some limitations. Roof type is pitched, slate tiles, and I'll just randomly click some of these options here. Now this is a yes no question. You can use these to jump over irrelevant questions. If I say yes, it's going to ask me a question about the chimney. If I go back and say no, it doesn't have chimneys, it will skip over the chimney questions and go straight on to the next set, which is about downpipes. We'll say it was raining, so it can say, well, did we notice any leaks? And we'll say there's minor leaks. And some more questions here. I'll quickly just answer the rest of the questions and show you how the report gets into Word. When you get to the last question, it tells you, last question, we click the report, or we can click the preview button to have a view of it here in case we want to go back, or we can just click the report button. And that tells us basically it's ready to go into Word. So you basically just open a new Word document and then just click the paste button. You can see at this point the report's not actually formatted, but we have added some instructions here in the template to put some extra things in, and we just run the macro. Off it goes, puts in your logo. If you go down here, it's put in a table of contents for us. It's numbered our sections, put in some bullet points. It's also put in page header, and at the bottom page footer. Okay, the next video you should look at is one about template, which shows you how to actually set up a template, which you can do in AlbaWrite as well.